I am very excited to show you how you're going to be using Nano Banana in your print on demand business. So see you soon on the other side. So guys, like you can see right now, I'm on the Google Gemini interface, and this is where we are going to be able to access Nano Banana. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to click on this option of tools. But like you can see, I'm on this version, which is 2.5 Flash. That's the version that is going to give you a Nano Banana and more advanced editing tools, okay? Like video tools over here. So once you click on that, you'll see a variety of options available. And what you're going to do is to click on Create Images. This tool is free to use and very easy to navigate. All you have to do is to give it a prompt and command it to generate an image for you that you want. Okay, so let's try by challenging it to generate for us a beautiful typography image for our t-shirt design. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to say generate to me. A beautiful calligraphy font image design for a t-shirt that says maybe let's say New York City. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it very simple, but you can make sure that your prompt is very detailed. And you can also go ahead to use some tools like ChatGPT to come up with prompts tailored for the exact project you're working on, okay, or the exact design you're working on. So let's click on submit to see the results we are going to get with this. So like you can see over here, it has generated for us a beautiful black t-shirt like we requested, and it's in the calligraphy font style. So what I meant with this image, I wanted, a text design, but right now it has started with the design itself because I didn't specify in my prompt that I wanted only the text, design. Okay, so we will be using this. Let's first work with this over here. Then we are going to ask it to give us a beautiful, text design with this New York City t-shirt. So I'm just going to tell you that keeping everything the same, generate a street style image of a female wearing that exact t-shirt, walking on the streets, on the city streets. New York. Okay, you can include New York. I didn't add it. Then I added the t-shirt design should be visible. Okay, so let's click on submit to see the results we are going to get with this prompt. Whoa, guys, like you can see, this is a very beautiful image that you can use, to market your beautiful design on any social media platform on your own website, like you can see. So you can use this avatar or this image, and always come back to regenerate more so that you have more marketing images for your designs. Okay, so what we are going to do next is I'm going to add an image. Okay, so let's go ahead and find an image. Then I'm going to ask it to use this very image of this lady seated over here. Okay, this is also an avatar that we use for our videos. So I'm going to ask it to keep everything the same, her appearance, but I want her, instead of being wearing that white t-shirt, I want her to switch to the other t-shirt. Okay, so let me write the prompt and then we are going to see the results we get. because I did not want to risk our results, I decided to actually download this image of the first t-shirt we got. All you have to do is to come up here, okay? Let me drag back up. Then you click on download. It's going to download on your device. Then you can upload it. So I've uploaded both images for this lady and then the t-shirt I want her to be wearing. So the prompt says, I want you to dress the lady sitting in our black New York City t-shirt. Keep everything else the same, okay? So let's click on submit and we'll see if we'll get the exact results we are seeking. Yo, guys, like you can see, the results are really fantastic. It gave us a beautiful image. Like you can see, our t-shirts, the details, the text, everything is still the same, and the lady is still in the same position she was, at the same exact features, the image, hair, everything is the same. So you can do the same thing with your own images. So you can upload your own images and then you know, put on your own designs through this tool. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we ask it for only text image design. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload our t-shirt like I did with this image because I wanted to understand exactly what I want. But you can as well try it out without the image and you see if you'll get the results correctly. But if you don't, you can always upload the image. That's a safer way to get the exact results you want. So let me do that really quick. So I am done now with the image upload, and I've also included our prompt. This also works if you already have existing designs. You can go ahead and upload any of your designs, whether it's typography, whether it's just images. This tool will do wonders and magic for you. So our prompt says, I want you to generate an only text image, no background, to our design. Okay. So let's click on submit to see the results we are going to get. In the meantime, I kindly request you to support this channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and let's proceed. Like you can see right now, our image is almost ready. Voila. Here it is with a transparent background. So whichever background you want to work with, go ahead and just ask for that. So we are going to go ahead and download this design from over here, just like this. Then I'm going to show you the print on demand platform that we can use that already has products that we can easily insert our designs onto and then automatically start selling them, okay? So you need to watch this video till the end so that you can benefit even more. Let's go ahead and download our design from over here. The tool we are using is known as Printify, and this is what its interface looks like. Go ahead and sign up, then you'll catch me over here, okay? So I want us to go ahead and click on this option of catalog, okay? We are going to choose any design that we want to work with individually. So in this particular case, let's work on t-shirts because that's our main focus, but that design can also go in hoodies, sweatshirts, wherever you want it, okay? So let's go ahead and click on t-shirts. Then we are going to find a particular one to work with. So I want us to find something unisex, and that's what we will be working with, okay? So this doesn't look bad. Let's go ahead and use this one over here. So let's click on it just like that. And all you have to do is to scroll down over here, okay? Where it says start designing, okay? So you're going to click on that option. You're going to give that time until it opens up, like you can see over here. And all you have to do from here is to go ahead and click on upload. Then you go to your device and upload the design that we just, downloaded, okay? This one over here. We are going to add it to our design and we see how it turns out like. So this is what it's going to look like on your design. Once it's done uploading, and all you have to do is drag it by the corners to make sure that it fits this area really well. So on the right, you can see it says medium resolution. So whenever you adjust it and make it bigger and visible, you'll see that that option automatically changes. So we just want to make sure it fits really well and it's well aligned, it's centered, and it's that trade line that is guiding you to make sure that you have everything where it's meant to be. Okay. And if you look closely on your right, there is this option of select variants. So this is going to give you an option of selecting all the type of colors that you want your design to be on, like in the t-shirt format. So let me go ahead and choose black. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on this option of preview to see what that actually looks like. So I've already seen a mistake we have over here. Now what I intended is for us to only have the text on the t-shirt, okay? So even though I asked Google Gemini or Nano Banana to remove the background, it did do that, but we still have an image behind this text over here. So there is a few ways you can do this. You can go back to Canva and sorry, you can use tools like Canva and you ask it to take out the background by clicking on the edit option, then you erase the background. Or you can go back to Google Gemini and you'll go under Nano Banana, the tool we've been using. You will design a new image with maybe like a black background to blend well with this t-shirt. When you're working on white t-shirts, you can do that as well, okay? So we won't be going through that through this video, but you guys get the concept, okay? You just follow the same exact steps we've been taking. Let's look at it on a model over here and we see what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. If the background was black, this would be fantastic. Also, let's view it on a female model to see what it looks like. So that's how it turned out like. Also in this image, if the background was black, it would be really nice. And also our design would be completely visible. But you get that point, guys. Now that we are done with the designs, if you want to download the mockups, you can go ahead and click on download. Then you can download these mockups. They can also act as your guide in Nano Banana, to generate your own models, maybe standing exactly like this. You just have to switch up the prompt and everything will be doable like you've seen in the examples that we've had in today's video, okay? And also, if you want to connect to your own store through Printify, you can click on save. Then the next step will allow you to connect your store and you'll be able to sell on different platforms. For example, if you have an Etsy shop, you will be able to connect to that. If you have Shopify, everything is doable. If you have your own website, you can still connect through Printify and then you start selling online, okay? Guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.